Are you struggling with a garage door that's malfunctioning? Your home's security is at stake. Choosing the right garage door repair company in Panama City can save you from ongoing headaches. Start by considering experience. Local knowledge about weather-related issues can make all the difference. Look for companies that specialize in a variety of repairs, from broken springs to malfunctioning openers. A competent company should service all major brands and utilize the latest repair techniques available. Read customer reviews carefully. Look for consistent praise about professionalism and timely service from past clients. And do you know someone who's had an excellent garage door repair experience? Personal recommendations are invaluable. Check for proper licensing and certifications. This ensures that technicians meet industry standards and safety regulations. Assess the company's customer service. Quick response times and clear communication are vital for urgent repairs. A trustworthy company will offer warranties on repairs, showcasing their confidence in quality and customer satisfaction.